Alright everyone, so I'm going to go ahead and change the time. So I'm going to go ahead and, so it's going to de-energize because it's already past 9. Well, hopefully the timer, so here we go. So it's supposed to be at 10 a.m. but now it's going to de-energize at 9. Oh, there you go, you see? Alright, so now it's going to de-energize at 9 a.m. So we're now at 15 on. So remember, I decreased it. I went from 24 to 18 to 16. Now I'm doing 15. Then I'm going to do 14. And then I'm going to do 13. But I might just go 14, then 12. And just flip to flower. Alright, everyone. That's it. So I'm just going to close this up and we're done. Alright, laters.